The acquisition of additional land at Tynring, New Shillong Township to serve a corridor between the administrative city and knowledge city. So this is we have taken another 35 acres of land to shift our central jail from the present one to New Shillong. The land is for that. So the rate actually it is 250 per square feet and to 2,691 per square meter. But the government rate is, the DC notified rate is 2,900 per square meter. So we got it below the DC notified rate. No, because now see we are in the process of acquiring the land. So once we acquire the land, then only we can proceed with the construction. Yeah, private party, and it is from the previous owner only, where we previously also we have bought the land for jail. For that, I think that the clarity is not with me, but for right now, as I have been informed that it is for jail.